Mild morning for most of us. If we take a look at the Midwest right now, some of us are in the 60s. Kansas City's already up to 61, 54 in Springfield, 62 out in Oklahoma City, and we are going to start seeing that warmer weather make its way into the area pretty quickly this morning. You can see our temperatures are already up into the 50s. We're 50 in Lynn, a little bit cooler to the northeast in Vandalia. They're 47 degrees, 54 in Versailles, and the same thing out in Green Ridge at this hour. Our winds are starting to pick up a little bit, between 5 and 10 miles per hour. They're mainly from the south. We're going to see that trend for the next couple of days. That's what's going to help bring in that warmer weather. We could see some breezy conditions this afternoon with winds gusting up to 20 miles per hour. Here's a look at our clouds and radar right now. Not a whole lot going on in our area. A little bit of clouds and some showers off to our north, but for the most part, we're going to have a pretty nice day today across the state. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast. There is a weak cold front to our north, but that should dissipate over the next 12 to 24 hours. Maybe a couple showers to our north this evening. A couple of isolated severe storms possible, but I don't think that's going to affect our area too much. So our highs today are going to be in the low to mid 80s. Pretty much sunshine throughout most of the day, so a pretty nice day to enjoy it. If you get off work, take the dog for a walk, go for a bike ride, definitely going to be a nice day. Overnight tonight, temperatures are going to be in the 60s. Could see a couple of clouds out there. I think our model is picking up on a little bit of rain, but I don't think we're going to see much in our area. I think it will stay mostly to our north. The best chance for rain will start on Wednesday as a strong cold front comes through the area, bringing showers and thunderstorms through most of the week and possibly through next weekend. Here's a look at our breakdown for today. Temperatures will climb into the 60s and 70s by early this afternoon. Temperatures in the 80s for our afternoon highs, and we'll drop back down into the 70s with clear skies, so pretty warm and mild day for us across most of mid-Missouri. Same thing for tomorrow, sunny skies in place, temperatures in the mid-80s, so very warm compared to what we've been seeing. Showers and thunderstorms move in late Wednesday night and last through Thursday and Friday. We could still even see some showers on Saturday and Sunday and a big cool down again. So